how to disable email notifications for workflow in Smartsheet. So first go to Smartsheet and then just open up your sheet that you have a workflow in. So for example, this one, and then click on automations here. Then look for the workflow. So for example, this one, just click on edit here. And then make sure that your action is whenever someone or something is triggered. So just make sure to not select the alert someone. Just change this to something else. So whenever something changes in your workflow, it won't alert people via email. Okay. So let's say I'm going to change this from notifications. I'm just going to change it to let's say lock rows. Click on that and then just click on save and you're done. Okay, so no one will be notified anymore. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.